Talk loud, Hook.
We rolling?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to install hydro, the best advice I can give is
Don't.
Yeah, probably. But either buy a kit that's meant for your car or like some pre-made shit, I don't fucking care. Or plan this out better than I did, because I spent like an hour in Weavers this morning trying to figure this out after I'd already drawn it out on a divider for a 30 rack. And this shit is also really fucked up. So if you buy it's a good quality brake, but if you buy the Part Shop Max one, there's some few quirks that I'll explain in a second. But so the pre-existing lines on the car that run to the rear, there's only a single line. Some cars have dual, but it's single because it's got a solid axle, so it just splits to a T at the rear axle. So that's a 1/4 inch brake line. Someone's already replaced the lines going back, so there's already one of these guys installed. This is a compression fitting, so no flare necessary. Oh my god. Well, we need a new one now.
Jug, pitch it.
It's compression fitting, so you slide this over the end of the tube. We'll cut this flare off down here. So it'll just be a straight piece of line. And we'll slide this over the tube, and this piece over the tube. And then it'll go in there, and this union sits in the middle, and then you just clamp it down. And it seals up, because I wanted to flare as little as possible, because I just don't have enough experience flaring lines. I don't want to fuck around with that. So, anyways, that's how it will connect it to the existing line in the car. And then this line will obviously be bent up into shape. It'll come down the frame. It'll shoot over towards the driver floor, and it'll come up through the floor. And then we got to connect the second set of lines. So. Then the next line, we split it into 2 sections so we can get the carpet in and out easy. So just a straight inverted flare union, because all these lines are inverted flare union, so it's just the same shit on either side. Now, this is a piece of 3/16 line, but it'll be 1/4 inch in the car. So then we'll just connect this 1/4 inch line, 1/4 inch, to the union here, and then we'll bend it up. So this will be the feed line to the brake. Now here's where things get freaking weird. Real Wilwood cylinder. And the threads they put in here for the feed are 7/16 20, which is stupid, really dumb, because all 1/4 inch lines use 7/16 24 fine thread. This is coarse, so this is what took probably the longest. This, huh?
7/16 20 is fine. 7/16 24 is
ultra fine, whatever.
Got him! Got him!
Fuck this guy over here. Thinks he knows shit. I don't know. But this guy took a little while to track down. Yep, you got it right on. Yep, and if you
looks like what?
If you look inside there, that is inverted flare fitting. But if you look on here, that's won't seal down in there. But you can see there's a little flat spot on there. So, copper washer, and we're just gonna put this in here until it bottoms out and seals up. Oh my god, I'm so drunk right now. We had like 12 tequila shots before we started this. All right, so then we'll crank this down, seal up that washer, and now we've finally adapted back to all the rest of the fittings in the brake system. 7/16 24 ultra fine.
You suck, you jackass!
Flare. The outlet is for a bubble flare, which is big dog stupid. So, because nobody carries an adapter that goes from, bear with me, bubble flare 3/8 24 to inverted flare 3/8 24. It only goes to metric. I don't know why they do that, but I had to buy a 3/16 line that, if you can see, is bubble flare. So all adapting up, down, left, right, whatever way you want to do, you just, however you can get it done, you just get it done. So that'll screw in like that. And then So on the other end, we'll follow it back to our hole in the floor. You know, we're back to all this is kind of together. And we'll take this side and we'll chop off the bubble flare. Then I have a flaring kit here. So one end of this line will be bubble flare, this side will be inverted flare. And we won't use this nut here, we'll use this one, which is meant for a 3/16 line. And instead of using 3/8 24, uses 7/16 24. So it'll bolt directly into our 1/4 inch union. So we don't have to screw around with some weird like 3/8 to 1/4 to then the union. It adapts, it actually, the nut becomes part of the flare almost, like contacts the surface down at the bottom of the union. So it'll seal up. And now we can go back to 1/4 inch line, which will be bent up to feed the rear brake lines. Finally, this sucked. I spent way too much time just trying to figure this out. And that's just another compression fitting back there to go to the existing line. That was long-winded and probably really boring, but worth noting because I figured this was gonna be easy. It's not. Actually, you wanna give me the camera real quick? I'll show them what I'm talking about. Hi. Hold that. Underneath here. Hopefully I can do this. I'm not used to this GoPro. Oh shit, I swore again. So you can see that's one of those compression fittings that I had earlier. Mine are black. This one must be like stainless or something. Probably not because it's corroded. But up there, right there is the original brake line. And then someone put a compression fitting in and then put the nice copper nickel stuff in here all the way to the back. Well, I'm gonna take this off. Oh, my hand is directly in the way. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna cut the existing line just a tad bit shorter, then put another compression fitting in there because you can't reuse it, unfortunately. Hopefully that all was in focus because it kind of looks out of focus on the screen. Another compression in here, and then I was gonna snake my new line kind of the way this one was routed, but I think instead I'm gonna go from here past all this back, and then this is where the front seat mounts right here, and I'm gonna go right in here. So it'll just be a straight shot and make our line a lot shorter. But, dude, you're bending my straight line right now? Huh? My straight line is no longer straight. What? I swear. That's why you don't have bad friends like these guys. So this is our 1/4 inch line. This is the longer 2 pieces. It was straight at one point. Right. But since we're not gonna snake it around the frame rail like the other one was anymore, we're just gonna do a straight shot. We can save some of this line, and I need more 1/4 inch line to do the either feeder outlet, I can't remember, because I'm stupid. So we're gonna use this piece, and then one of these flares is gonna be cut off. I haven't decided which one yet, because again, I'm stupid. Yeah! I love you.
All right, let's get.
All right. Oh yeah, that puppy's sharp. That cut through so fast.
Straight through.
I don't think this
I'm
thing's
blinding
ever
you.
used,
It's
yeah.
awesome.
Do I look like a fucking mad scientist right now?
A little bit.
I feel like it.
You look like Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
The world's f***ing burning.
Would you Bill Nye? Because I probably would.
Gun to my head, I'd do it for free.
Yeah, me too. I think I would do it for free without a gun to my head.
Oh yeah.
That's what you meant?
Yeah, one of those, yeah. Either one. I'd either do it for free or with a gun to my head.
Ah, yeah.
You pick.
Right. This thing's gonna break.
It's gonna
my
break
wrist.
your wrist so bad. Oh my god,
it's
that's so
walking so
oblong.
bad.
Yeah.
I told you it's gonna be an interesting shaped hole.
Walking taco.
The weld's broken on the hole saw.
Fucking awesome.
I'm scared.
Oh my god. Holy f.
I did it.
That was I did it, Dad.
Why so serious? God, I love just putting.
Glory holes in your floor?
Yeah. Try it out. It's a milking table.
Alright.
Can't see.
Hey, let us know in the comments, is Max doing this wrong?
I can't f***ing see anything.
You want some more light? You don't have enough.
Yeah,
Get you
there we
some
go.
more.
There we go.
How's that?
Yeah.
Hey, Tit, we need a couple more lights in here. Alright. God, I gotta stop calling you Tit. It makes editing hard.
And you need to show me your asshole.
Huh. Oh my god. Hope you don't expect it to be real great.
That's fine.
Pink it.
I think you call that good right there.
Yeah?
F it. I don't care.
Oh wow, this didn't stick at all.
No.
Oh, that's because there's no material down there.
That's funny.
I thought it was flat on the bottom. Guess I'm a big
That's fine.
dumb
Like,
fuck boy.
that's like the seat's gonna end like over here somewhere.
Yeah.
Should we run a test fit with the seat quick?
Sure.
Get it over this way more.
This is going to be a two-part video. While I was editing it, it just was getting pretty long, hitting like a 20-minute marker, so figured just cut it in half. So we'll be posting this one today, and then you will get the next part shortly. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Turbo!